For years, the laptop market has been dominated by x86 architecture, primarily from Intel and AMD. However, new contender has emerged promising to redefine the mobile computing experience. Yes, the Qualcomm's Snapdragon-powered laptops. These devices leverage ARM-based processors, the same technology that powers our smartphone, offering a unique blend of advantage that makes them compelling choice for many users. So here in this video, we will know the reason why you should consider Snapdragon processor-powered laptop instead of Intel and AMD. Unmatched power efficiency and battery life. At the heart of the Snapdragon laptop lies ARM architecture, renowned for its power efficiency. Unlike x86 processor designed for raw performance, ARM chips prioritize power consumption, and this translates into significantly longer battery life, often exceeding 15 hours on a single charge. Thin, light, and fanless designs. Power efficiency of Snapdragon processor enables manufacturers to design ultra-thin, lightweight, and fanless laptops. With a lower heat generation, these devices do not require bulky cooling systems, making them highly portable and comfortable for extended use. Optimized for mobile productivity. Snapdragon laptops are designed for mobile productivity, running Windows 11 on ARM, a version of Windows optimized for ARM architecture. This ensures better performance and efficiency while maintaining the compatibility with many popular applications. Competitive performance for everyday tasks. While Snapdragon processor may not match the raw horsepower of the high-end x86 chips in demanding tasks like video editing or gaming, they offer more than enough performance for everyday computing tasks. On-device AI processing. Modern Snapdragon processors integrate dedicated hardware for AI processing known as the Neural Processing Unit (NPU). This allows for accelerated machine learning tasks directed on the device, leading to faster performance and improved efficiency for AI-powered applications. Always connected experience. Many Snapdragon laptops offer models with optional 5G connectivity, providing seamless always connected experience. Yes, it also comes with evolving ecosystem and software support. The ARM ecosystem is rapidly expanding with more and more developers optimizing their applications for ARM-based devices. There are cost-effective options. Snapdragon laptops often come at a more competitive price point compared to the similarly powered Intel or AMD-powered laptops. So who should buy a Snapdragon laptop? Snapdragon laptops are ideal for users who value portability, long battery life, and seamless connectivity. Frequent travelers and remote workers benefit from their lightweight design and built-in 5G, while those focused on everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and office work enjoy smooth performance from these Snapdragon-powered laptops. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.